Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the phone the single source of truth for position. First, turn location on and pick high accuracy or precise so the phone fuses GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell data. Then, grant Pokémon GO location permission, choose while using the app or always so the game can update. Once done, check and disable mock locations or developer location spoofing. If left enabled, the game will reject GPS fixes and you won't get a proper signal. Next, you calibrate and remove software noise. Move the phone in a figure 8 twice to calibrate the compass. This helps the game lock direction with GPS. Then, clear Pokémon GO cache and force stop the app. This forces a fresh location handshake. Make sure background location is enabled and exempt the app from aggressive battery optimizations. Otherwise, the OS will suspend GPS fixes. Once these steps are complete, reopen the game and watch for immediate map movement. To finish, restart the device to clear any stalled GPS services. This often produces the first solid lock. After reboot, open Pokémon GO outside with a clear view of the sky. GPS needs visible satellites, and tall buildings or metal structures will block signals. If you still have problems, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds, then off to reset radios and cellular assistance. Troubleshooting tip: if location drifts, repeat compass calibration and confirm mock location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.